Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the superhuman fighting style in the game Blox Fruits on Roblox. This is one of the strongest fighting styles in the entire game, and I'll walk you through the steps on how to unlock it. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a thanks and a comment down below if this helps you out. Okay, let's get into it. To unlock Superhuman and Roblox Blox Fruits, all you need to do is go through a couple of steps. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have at least 300 mastery in Dark Step, Electric, Water Kung Fu, and Dragon Breath. You'll need to master all these fighting styles before you can upgrade to Superhuman. You can buy these fighting styles from NPCs across the different islands. Next, you'll need to have at least 3 million in-game currency. That way you can afford to unlock Superhuman. Next, you need to have the second C unlocked. So if you don't have that unlocked yet, all you need to do is to be level 700 or above. So once you reach this level, you must talk to the military detective. That NPC is located in the prison, and you need to talk to him in order to start the quest to unlock the second C. However, once you have it unlocked, you can go to the Snow Mountain. Once you're there, you can see in this image where the martial arts master is located. He's in a secret cave about right there. So once you find the martial arts master, all you need to do is purchase Superhuman, and boom, now you have unlocked it. And that's how to get Superhuman in Blox Fruits on Roblox. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a thanks and a comment down below if this has helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.